Hello everyone, welcome to KR Lakkam Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. In our previous class, we were discussing about some syllabus and the lessons will be there in the examination. So very soon we are going to have term 1 examination. So related to term 1 examination, whatever the syllabus will be there in the mathematics subject and the question paper patterns of mathematics for class 5th I am going to explain now. So today onwards till your exam we will have the revision and discussion about the question paper patterns of mathematics. Okay, let's start the class. So first I will tell you the syllabus. So lesson number 1, that is numbers. Second one, factors and multiples. Third one, fractions. So fraction, I will not take more syllabus from the lesson number 3rd fraction. Just 5 marks question will be there from the regarding fraction. So in previous class, in 4th standard, whatever you have learnt about fraction, that basic concept questions will be there in the examination. Okay, now pattern, question paper pattern. Question number 1. State true or false. State true or false. This carries 6 marks. So there will be 6 true or false statements and you have to solve these, then you will get 6 marks in the true or false. Question number 2. Match the following. This carries 6 marks. There will be 5 statements. That statements will related to some answer. There will be column A and column B. So from the column A statement, you have to match to the column B statement. Okay, you know about match the following very well. So there will be 6 marks for the match the following questions. Question number 3. Multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. This is also 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. There will be 6 multiple choice questions with 3 options. Yes, you may get 3 options. So among 3, there will be one correct answer. So you have to read the statement of multiple choice question and then you should think, you should observe all the 3 options. Which one will be the correct answer, that you should select and you should tick it. So those are the multiple choice questions. In this case, state true or false, match the following multiple choice questions. These are 1 mark questions. In this, you will get more questions related to the theory part of the lessons. What is theory part of the lesson? Suppose factors and multiples, numbers and fraction. The theory part, like what are numbers? successor, predecessor, ascending, descending, and then writing number name, then writing short form, expanded form, international system of numeration, and then what are factors, multiples, and how to do, how to identify the next multiples, and in numbers what are natural numbers, and like these theory questions will be carried in this 1 mark questions. So you have to be very perfect in theory part. Numbers means whatever numbers theory is there, so that all things you should be aware of it. And then the multiples and factors also same. Then fractions, theory part of fractions is type of fractions. By one example you should identify which type of fraction it is, and comparing the fractions, comparing unit fractions, how to identify the greater fraction and the smallest fraction. These all things will be carried in 1 mark questions. Next, question number 4. Do as directed. Do as directed will have 6 questions and 2 marks. 2 6 are 12. In this question, you will get the problems, solving problems. For example, one I will tell you. Write the successor and predecessor of 9,27,354. So you have to write successor of it and the predecessor of it. So this is one. One more how you will get. Write first 5 multiples of 15 and write first 2 common factors of 12 and 6. So these are the questions. Like these questions you will get in do as directed. So every question will carry 2 mark for this. Yes. So in this part you will solve the problems. Yes. Suppose one more example I will tell you. What is that? We will ask that expand the following. We will give 2 big large numbers, and we will give 2 big numbers and will tell us represent the given numbers in International System of Numeration place value chart. Yes, and then identify the LCM, least common multiple, identify the HCF. Okay, like this solving questions will be arised in do as directed. Yes. Next, question number 5. Fill in the blanks. So again, fill in the blanks will be related to theory part. So 1 into 5 is equal to 5. There will be 5 questions with the blanks. So you should write the suitable answer in the blanks. These are known as fill in the blanks questions. Next, question number 6. Solve the following. There will be 5 questions. Each carries 3 marks. So 5 3s are 15. Solve the following means there will be big questions like find the LCM of the following. Okay. Find the common factors of the given 2 numbers. Like these all problems you will get in solve the following questions. Okay. You have to solve these also for 3 marks. 5 questions for 3 marks you need to solve. So total marks so 6 plus 6 12, 6 on the 6 18 plus 12 5 15. total marks is 50. So this is term 1 examination. You will get the question paper of 50 marks. Yes, once again I am telling you, the syllabus is only 3 lessons: numbers, factors and multiples, fractions. Fraction whole lesson we will not consider in this exam. We will consider the fraction lesson of theory part, very basic concept of fractions. Okay, and then question paper pattern, there will be main 6 questions. First one, state true or false. Question number 2, match the following. Question number 3, multiple choice questions. Question number 4, do as directed. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. Solve the following. Okay. In the next class, I will explain each questions in detail. So state true or false, what type of questions you will get. I'll take some similar questions. Okay, I will write on the board. You can also write in your book and practice those. That questions may come, or similar to that also may come. Okay, next, match the following. What type of questions you will get. Then multiple choice questions with options also I will solve. So then do as directed. What type of questions you will get, fill in the blanks and solve the following. In detail I will explain in the next class, so that you can feel easy to write the exam. And we will have a revision also on 3 lessons, and then we will continue in the next class. Okay, thank you.